Welcome to The Soothing World of Lavender. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the fragrant and calming world of lavender. Lavender, scientifically known as lavandula, is celebrated for its beautiful appearance, enchanting fragrance, and versatile uses. These iconic purple blooms are cherished for their soothing properties and timeless appeal. Join us as we explore the soothing world of lavender. The genus Lavandula encompasses several species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Lavender is characterized by its slender spikes of tiny, fragrant flowers in shades of purple, lavender, blue, pink, and white. The graceful, aromatic blossoms are a symbol of relaxation and well-being. Lavender carries deep cultural and symbolic significance. It is often associated with tranquility, healing, and purity, making it a popular choice for aromatherapy, herbal remedies, and spa products. Additionally, lavender is renowned for its captivating fragrance, which has been used for centuries in perfumes, sachets, and potpourri. Lavender is highly regarded in the world of gardening and landscaping. It is a favorite among gardeners for its ability to add color, fragrance, and pollinator-friendly blooms to gardens, borders, and outdoor spaces. Whether grown as perennials or shrubs, lavender offers a serene and aromatic presence in any landscape. One of the most remarkable features of lavender is its adaptability to different growing conditions. It can thrive in gardens, rock gardens, containers, and even as a low-water use plant, making it suitable for a variety of garden environments. Its resilience and aromatic qualities add to its popularity among gardeners and herb enthusiasts. Efforts are made to conserve native lavender species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, lavender is more than just fragrant blooms. It embodies the spirit of relaxation, healing, and the enduring allure of serenity. Lavender is known for its adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to sunny Mediterranean climates. Let's explore its remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Lavender is versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate, Mediterranean, and even arid climates. Some varieties endure hot summers and are drought-tolerant once established. Soil preferences. Lavender prefers well-draining soil and is adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or rocky soils. It thrives in slightly alkaline to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Lavender requires minimal watering once established, making it suitable for water-wise gardening practices. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to let the soil dry between waterings. Sunlight requirements. Lavender flourishes in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. It is a sun-loving plant and thrives in bright, sunny locations. Lavender offers a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate its soothing charm into your outdoor space. Garden borders. Plant lavender as fragrant edging or mass plantings in garden borders, creating a serene and aromatic display. Rock gardens. Use lavender in rock gardens to add fragrance and color to rocky terrain, creating a calming and fragrant oasis. Container gardening. Grow lavender in pots and containers to bring its aromatic beauty to patios, balconies, and small spaces. It is perfect for container gardens. Herb gardens. Include lavender in herb gardens, where its aromatic leaves and flowers can be used for culinary and medicinal purposes. Pollinator gardens. Lavender is a magnet for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Plant it in pollinator-friendly landscapes to support local wildlife. The versatility of lavender empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create fragrant borders, aromatic container displays, or serene herb gardens. Thank you for joining us on this soothing journey into the soothing world of lavender. Lavender has captivated gardeners, herbalists, and fragrance enthusiasts for its fragrant blooms, healing properties, and the sense of tranquility it brings to gardens and outdoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, an herbalist, or simply someone who appreciates the calming aroma of lavender, may this fragrant herb continue to bring relaxation, healing, and a touch of serenity to your life and surroundings.